all. I hope you are enjoyed the exams, and we are again starting with the video YouTube classes. I would like to welcome all my dear students to our online class teaching ICSE 5th B1 and B2. I am so happy to see you all back. Now we are in mathematics subject. We are starting chapter 4. This is chapter 4. The title is Multiplies and Factors. Multiplies and Factors. This is in page number 39. This I will work out in my rough note and show you. I want you to listen carefully and understand. In this lesson, each word I read and explained. There are some definitions, so I want you to know about what is factors, what is multiplies, and in this lesson you will come across prime numbers, twin prime numbers, composite numbers, and so on. This is almost like multiplication as well as division. Repeated division we will learn in this lesson. So I want you to listen carefully. We are in session 11. Shall we learn this lesson? Are you all ready? Yes, here we go. Lesson number 4, multiplies and factors. Multiplies and factor. This is lesson number 4. In this, what is meaning of multiplies and factors? For example, two numbers are given for multiplication. This side one, that side one. These two are the factors, the product, okay? Factors. The answer by multiplying these two number, what we get, that is called multiple. This question for multiplication, that is factor. The answer we receive after multiplying, it's called multiple. Okay. Now what's the meaning of factor? The numbers that are multiplied are called factors. Which number? These numbers. This is the example. The answer is called multiple. By the way, students, you should know how to multiply. Multiplying two numbers, you receive an answer. This is called factors and multiple. This you can do by yourself. For your understanding, there are some exercises. In this video, we are mainly going to concentrate the meaning of prime and composite numbers. Okay, prime numbers. What are the composite numbers? These are the things we are going to focus in this video. Listen carefully as I explain to you. Prime numbers. What is the meaning of prime numbers? Look at your book, page number 39. Numbers that have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. For example, 1 and then 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 are prime numbers between 1 to 20. If I ask you from 1 to 20, what are the prime numbers? You should memorize 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. And listen what is here hint given, very important one. The number 1 is unique. Yes or no? For any number, we usually use common number, unique. Number 1 is called unique number. It has only one factor. How many factors in this? One factor. That is 1. So, 1 is a neither prime nor composite. This will go with prime number. This will go with composite number also. So, 1 will go with prime also, as well as 1 is neither prime nor composite. This will not go with prime as well as with composite. This is common, right? And then this is prime numbers. What about composite numbers? Numbers that have 3 or more factors are called composite numbers. Factor means the question with what we are going to multiply. 3 or more than 3. 3 or more than 3 is called what? More than 3 factors are called what? Composite numbers. Now in 1 to 100 numbers, how many prime number is there? How many composite number is there? We'll find out. There are 25 prime numbers and 74 composite numbers between 1 to 100. So this is very important for you to learn. This is very important. Numbers that have 3 or more factors are called composite numbers. How many more than 3 factors are called which number? Composite numbers. Now for example, what are the composite number from 1 to 20? 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16 and 18 are composite numbers between 1 to 20. These numbers have 3 or more than 3 factors. Yes or no? Yes. This is called which number? Composite number. And the previous one which we learned, it's called prime numbers. By keeping this in mind, let us turn the page to page number 40. In this, twin primes. What's the meaning of twin primes? A pair of prime numbers that have only one composite number between them is called twin primes. For example, 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 19, 17, 19. Pair numbers. A pair of prime numbers. Pair of prime numbers, but it has only how many? One composite number. The example is 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. This is called what? Twin prime numbers. If I ask you what are the twin prime numbers, you must say a pair of prime numbers that have only one composite. You should have only one composite number between them. The examples are here. Now next we'll find out what's the meaning of co-prime numbers. What's the meaning of co-prime numbers? Two numbers that have only one as a common factor are called co-prime numbers or co-primes. Two numbers that have only one as a common factor. In the given number, one number will be the common, number 1 will be the common factor, that is called co-prime number. The example 7 and 17. In this 2, which is the common number? 1, isn't it? So are co-prime as they have no common factors except 1. Got it? Now you must say twin primes, co-prime numbers. Twin prime numbers, as I have explained to you, co-prime numbers, two numbers that have one common number. The examples are 7 and 17. Common number is 1. Got it, student? Now let's see the next one. By learning that, we are going to go little deeper into the lesson. Prime factors. The factors of a number which are prime are called its prime factors. The factors in the number which is the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. In this, which are the prime number? 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are the prime number as we learned in the previous page. Remember this. 2 is the only even prime number. In this, 2 is the only one even prime number. Here 2 and 3 are which number? Prime numbers, as I told. So 2 and 3 are prime factors of 24. Prime factors of 24, because these two are prime numbers, so these two will become prime factors of 24. Now let's see prime factorization. Now we are getting into the sums. Prime factorization. A number can be expressed as a product of its prime factors. For example, 24. Now this 24, as I will explain in the note, this is 24. In this 24, we have to find out how we can multiply. These two are the factors. Okay, these two are the factors. For example, 4, 6 are 24. Further, we can make this factors into smaller number, and this 6 also into smaller number. If you multiply, we should get 24. In that case, we will write 4 like 2 into 2, how much? 4. Got it? And then 6, how we can make it into smaller number as we multiply 6? How many 2s are 6? 3 2s are 6. Okay? 2 into 3, how much? 6. This 2 are 4. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. Understand? Now, next. Now 27. Now we have to find out. In this 27, how we can multiply? By like 3 into 3, how much will come? 9. Okay? 9 into 3, how much will come? 27. You saw how we are multiplying, but we can write as 3 into 3, 9, and then to make it into 27, if you multiply again, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Got it? This is the answer. Now next one, 35. How can we, what are the factors that include in 35? 5 7s are, how much will come? 35. You got it, student, how we are multiplying? We say it prime factorization. This is called prime factorization. Now slowly we are getting into repeated division method. In the last chapters we learned division, right? Now in this we are using prime numbers and we will divide by using different method. But mainly we use division method to divide. For example, 36 we have to divide with 2. Step number 1, we have to write 36, the smallest number we are going to divide with 2. Got it? How many 2s are there in 36? 18 2s are how much? 36. Okay. And then how many 2s are there in 18? 9 2s are 18. Got it? Okay. Now in this we will use third table, because 9 will not go with second table. Now in this 9, how many 3s are there? 3 3s are 9. 3 into 3 equal 9. Now we got it. We cannot go anymore, right? Now when we write the answer 36, how we have divided 36? Which are the number as we multiply we get 36? Write the number with the table that we used. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now if you multiply, 2, 2 2s are 4, okay, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. For example, 2 into 2, 4, okay, 4 into this number 3, 12, then 12 into 3, how much will come? 3 12s are 36. This is the answer as we divide 36. So the table that we use, we should write it here. Got it? This is the repeated division method. This is the example exactly from the book. You read step by step. Step 1, write the number question that we are going to divide with the smallest number 2. And then if you divide 36 with 2, 18. And then 8. How many 2s are in 18? 9 2. In 9 we cannot use second table. We use third table. 3 3s are 9. We cannot go below than 3. The quotient is 3. Got it? We have to stop the quotient as a prime factor itself. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 is called 36 as we got the answer. We can see some other sums in the next class. Thank you students for listening very carefully. This is just an introduction as it is whatever written in the book I have explained. The rest we will continue in the next class. Thank you all. Have a nice day.